Everybody. Today the point of discussion is electrophilic substitution reactions of phenol. Now in phenol, hydroxyl group is directly attached to the benzene ring and oxygen, which is a key atom connected to the ring, bear two lone pair of electrons. Thus OH group attached to the benzene ring is activating and ortho para directing. Thus the electrophilic substitution reactions electrophilic attack is expected at ortho and para position in case of phenol. So the very first electrophilic substitution reaction to be discussed is bromination reaction. Now bromination reaction has a vital importance, and remember solvent has greater influence on this reaction. So when phenol is treated with bromine water, then 2,4,6 tribromophenol is obtained as a product. So this is 2,4,6 tribromophenol with the departure of HBr. Now in water, phenol itself undergo ionization producing phenoxide ion, and phenoxide ion is a better ortho para director than phenol itself. Thus 2,4,6 tribromophenol is obtained. But on other hand, if same phenol is treated with bromine in presence of organic solvents like carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride, then mixture of orthobromophenol, which can be given as, and along with this ortho substituted product, the major product, that is parabromophenol, is also obtained along with HBr. Now para substituted product has major yield right here. Parabromophenol is major product, whereas orthobromophenol is minor product. So this is the bromination reaction. Now next to bromination, another very important thing is nitration reaction. Nitration reaction of phenol. Now when phenol is treated with dilute nitric acid at room temperature, remember nitric acid is a nitrating agent, but plain nitric acid is not that much good nitrating agent. Thus when phenol is treated with dilute nitric acid at room temperature, then mixture of two different possible products are obtained. Orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol is obtained with the departure of water. Now right here, there is intramolecular hydrogen bonding in between OH group and NO2 group at ortho position. Thus orthonitrophenol is major product right here, whereas paranitrophenol is minor one. But on other hand, when phenol is heated with nitrating mixture, that is mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, then we receive the picric acid, that is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, which can be given as, this is the 2,4,6 trinitrophenol along with water, and this picric acid is an explosive material. Now third very important electrophilic substitution reaction is sulfonation of phenol. Now sulfonation is the reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid, and remember this reaction is the reaction of phenol with concentrated H2SO4, and temperature has greater influence over this reaction. Now when phenol is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid at room temperature, then at room temperature ortho substituted product is predominantly obtained. Orthophenol sulfonic acid is obtained with the departure of water. But if same phenol is heated with concentrated H2SO4 at about 373 Kelvin, then the para substituted product has major yield. This is the paraphenol sulfonic acid. Thus, at room temperature, orthophenol sulfonic acid is obtained, whereas at high temperature, I mean at 373 Kelvin, paraphenol sulfonic acid is formed as a product. Another very important substitution reaction of phenol which can be explained is Kolb's reaction. Now, Kolb's reaction is the preparation of phenol or conversion of phenol into orthohydroxybenzoic acid. For example, when phenol is treated with NaOH, why we are treating phenol with NaOH? Why? Because phenoxide ion is far more better orthopara director than phenol itself. Thus, phenol react with NaOH producing sodium phenoxide, and now this sodium phenoxide first is to be treated with carbon dioxide followed by the hydrolysis using dilute acid, which lead to the formation of orthohydroxybenzoic acid, which is commonly called as salicylic acid. And remember, salicylic acid is used in the preparation of analgesic known as aspirin. And next to this is Riemer-Tiemann reaction. Now, Riemer-Tiemann reaction is conversion of phenol to salicyl aldehyde. Now, what happens in this case? We need to react phenol with mixture of aqueous NaOH and chloroform. When we react phenol with aqueous NaOH and chloroform, then an intermediate is obtained which can be given as, this is an intermediate further react with the aqueous NaOH, which lead to the formation of this intermediate again, which on hydrolysis by using acid gives our product what we called salicyl aldehyde. So this is the Riemer-Tiemann reaction. So these are the few electrophilic substitution reactions of phenol. Thank you very much.